Hello guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Shopify appointment booking tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you add in an appointment system or an app here that you could use to set up appointments for your store? So this one is kind of complicated because the feature itself is not available on the Shopify or default or settings here for Shopify. So in order for you to start using or start setting up appointments here, or in this case, you need to install an app. So you want to go to the bottom left here, go to settings, and you want to go to apps and sales channel, and you want to go and click on Shopify App Store. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to search for the following. It's going to be Book Easy, and just press enter, and you should be able to see this one. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go and click on install. And from here on, just confirm the installation by clicking on the install button that you'll be seeing on your screen. And from here, just wait for it to fully install. Now, what Book Easy actually does here is it actually allows us to add a booking functionality in our Shopify website. Now, in this case, first things first is we need to enable the widget for Book Easy. So in this case, our widget will only work when Book Easy app embed is enabled in your team. So go ahead and click on enable here. And from here, you want to go and click on go to team editor. And in here, we want to go to the left panel here. You want to focus on this one. And you want to make sure that the Book Easy app here is actually turned on. Let's go and enable this one. And let's go and click on save at the top right to save our changes. And once you've done that, what we need to do is we just need to go ahead and go back in here. And from here, it's going to reload that. As you can see, it is now enabled. Now from here, you want to go to bookings. Now, bookings would actually contains the bookings that you have. So, for example, if someone actually book or went to your website and book something, this is where you'll be able to see them. We also have the appointments here, which in this case will show you your appointments or available appointments. So in this case, let's go and click on bookings here. Let's go and click on get started, and we just need to follow the on-screen steps. So first is we need to set our time zone. So in my case, maybe I want to set this to a very specific location. So let's just look for our location here. So let's just say I want to set this to Philippines. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, we want to go ahead and link products to our appointment. So in this case, if you haven't added any products yet here, you want to go ahead and link them. So in this case, you want to go to your Shopify store here. So just this example, you want to go to your products and you want to go and create or add product here. And from here on, just add the title, description, and media. So in this case, photos or videos. So in this case, just describe the type of booking. So if this is a consultation, you can go ahead and just say that in here. So let's just say there's going to be a consultation, and from here, let's go and click on save, so that we'll be able to use this. Let's go and go back here. So obviously you could fill out all the details here. Let's go and go back. Let's go and click on select product. Let's go and choose consultation. Click on add. And from here, let's go and click on next. Now we want to go and set up the appointment here. So we have the appointment time slot here. So in this case, you could go and choose the amount of the time here, lead time. So let's just say, so in this case, if the lead time is set to 60 minutes, appointment so must be booked at least 60 minutes in advance of the working time. So maybe I want to say it is going to be like around 30 minutes. So this is just an example. You can add your appointment name here. So let's just say it is going to be consultation. And this is just for internal reference. This is not the customers will be seeing, but you can just add your appointment name here. Yeah, also have the appointment availability, so you can make them available on certain days, as you can see right now. So you could go ahead and go to Monday, the time slot for that one, go to Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday here. And from here, you could go ahead and choose the start time. So you have our time slots. So you can go and choose your start time here, as well as the end at time. So this is just an example. Maybe I want to set this to let's just say like 8 a.m. Now let's go and choose 8 a.m. and ends at the following time. So let's just say this is going to be around 3 p.m. So this is just an example. So you can choose 3 p.m. here, and in here this one. So let's go choose 3 p.m. You can go and add this one as well if you want. Add another one. So in this case, this will actually allow you to choose or add the time for that. But then again, you could go and delete that just in case you don't want to have that in here. Now you could go to other days here if you want to allow those. Now, by the way, maybe on Sundays I want to remove any type of availability here. And from here, you could go ahead and copy some of the settings here, just in case you wanna copy the time on that specific day. But in this case, you go and enable multi-day appointment here, so allow customers to select a range of days, so rental room bookings here. But then again, we are good. Let's go and click on next. And from here, it's going to ask or tell you that appointments has been created. Let's go and click on view in store. You should open up our store here. Now from here on, you should be able to see your consultation, and you could go ahead and basically start using this. Now, by the way, if you do see sold out here, what I recommend you try doing here is you could go back into your Shopify store, go to consultation, and from here you could go ahead and disable track quantity. Let's click on save here. And from here, let's go and reload this one, and it should no longer say sold out here. And as you can see, it is now book your time and add to cart. So let's go ahead and click on book your time here. You could choose the date for this one and the time slot. So as you can see, we have 19. You could choose 10 a.m. Click on next here, and basically click on the option here for a payment here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So it actually depends on what times. So this one is pretty easy. It's pretty simple to set up. But if you want to further customize this, you could go to settings here, go to general setup, even manage your teams, the appearance here, integration, your locations, and your notifications. So if you want to specify which location as well, so you can add different locations if you have multiple stores or locations for your Shopify store. But then again, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.